Yo, Chow, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for another one today. As you guys can probably see, I'm here by myself. My boy has left me. Jevadonia is going to be in the chat hopefully soon. Here to run out. Got some errands to run out at the house. So it's going to be little and me by myself today, guys, but we're going to get through it today. Otherwise, let me know how the audio is sounding, guys. Are we good? Do you hear me loud and clear? Other than that, I think we pretty much can get through this. We've done this a few times before, so nothing different today. But other than that, chat, I think let's get right into the charts. And then we've got some juicy stuff to do for you guys. A little heads up, we're going to be dropping two little things here for you. So firstly, we're going to actually say three things for you guys. So three important things you guys are going to want to watch out for in the stream other than the trades themselves. So let's get over to it, guys, and let's see what happens. Okay, so basically on the markets, what are we looking for fundamentally, Chad? We've basically got clear sailing today. USD 415, remember Wallace speaks. Nothing too crazy there. Obviously, that is a speech, so nothing we can really predict on that side. That's going to be him talking. So maybe he says one or two things that are going to upset the markets a bit. But other than that, going to be rather clear. And then we've got Powell speaking on a Sunday. You don't always see that often, but again, we'll just keep note of that going into next week. But other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. So let's go over to the markets. So DXY, I'm still pretty much bearish, guys. The thing is, we were bearish for the retest here, and at this moment looks like it's going bullish, but we do want to take note that as of now there is still no bottom wick. So we just want to keep an eye on that one. But on the 4 hour, as I said, we always say a retest. This doesn't hold as the breakaway, as it didn't hold for resistance. Same as now, it can't be a breakaway until it's held as support. So we just want to keep note of that. So let's just see what happens if this does continue to trade above here. So anything on the lower time frames, if we start pushing down under this key level, obviously going for weak Asia lows, daily pivot EQ, we've got that bearish momentum. But if we start holding above Asia highs, above this key level, we can see the dollar start maybe going a little bit bullish as a pullback, obviously end of week on a Friday. So just going to react to see what we can get here today. But this key level Asia highs, definitely what we want to watch out for. Over to NASDAQ now at the daily pivot. So being a little bit up and down, taking the low of the day. Now trading back up. We've held above Asia highs. So this was the first time we broke Asia highs and held on the support. Now at the daily pivot, I wouldn't be surprised going to market open. Maybe something like just another retest Asia highs and then continue bullish after that. But same thing, if we do start turning around, if we can get under Asia lows again, we can look for that sell-off, especially on the higher time frame. It's just going to look a little bit more clear for us. As of right now, you can see this little zone over here. So where we firstly consolidated, a nice little bit of a breakaway. So first time we consolidated, going to these all-time highs, holding a support, fading, and then over now doing the same thing. So we will just keep an eye on this zone for later and see what happens there. But again, I'm leaning more to the bullish side of things. Now we go to US 30. Very, very similar, guys. We are still bullish as well. You can see break, retest, holding nicely there. So on the 4 hour, what did we get? Obviously the R&D trade, I think maybe being a little bit earlier, and that's why we do these R&Ds, because what did we take away from the R&D trade, guys? Firstly, the plan and the execution did work. The zones were correct. One thing, and it's one thing I've always said, I don't trade London, and literally it was valid for that again. Obviously the move coming in now, breaking away afterwards. So can we see the move start coming in here now, going into New York session? So that's what we're going to look out for. Let's just see over here. So when we look here, you will see very, very nicely we are trading above this zone here again. So firstly, this morning we were around about here was the zone, if I'm correct, because that was the breakaway that went for it. But we were over here. Now you are at Asia highs, same thing. You want to be holding Asia highs. Your lows being swept, 4 hour held support. Now take daily pivot and trade back up. So we're going to see what happens here with US 30 today. But again, quite a bit of a reaction. Just want to see what market's going to do at quite some crucial areas on price, basically. And then last but not least, gold. Gold literally spot on this morning with the analysis of it. We spoke about this with the I would have loved to actually taken this trade on my personal account, but literally been having some issues with it. So we're going to sort that out. So if that actually still isn't resolved, I might not even be able to trade today, unfortunately. But we will basically trail the trade for you guys. But obviously on our 4 hour, this is our reversal pattern right here. So you got your breakdown, held the level of a pivot, pulled back, this candle breaking that level. So again, what you would have done is after that break, literally enter on candle closure, which would have been there, and then literally your stop loss under the bottom of the previous candle. So 730, you could even just make it 800, so 80 pips stop as a swing position, and then there you go, a nice 1-to-1. Would have been a very, very clean trade and setup for us. So looking very good. I know I told my boy Mo to hold on to 2400, and he would have hit TP. So Mo, if you're on the chat, yeah, let me know if you hit that TP, bro. That was a very spot on call. So just let me know about that. But as we said, guys, this morning, trading back down. This was our level. We said if anything, if we failed, yeah, we needed to see this daily, this level hold, yeah, above, which obviously held on that 4 hour zone. Once we broke above the zone, again, there's your entry. So if no one else was here, again, this is out of session for me. That's 12:30. Once you had the break above your close, there you go, you enter. You could even have the stop underneath, so really maximizing that stop if you wanted to that way. And literally this thing absolutely flying.
I don't want to say we talked about it this morning, but what did we say about gold?
It's going to be one of those days it's going to run.
Chad, go. I don't want to blow my own horn, but what did I say this morning? What did me and Keeks talk about? 23, what was it? 23?
23.85.
Yeah, but after that we said we expect that.
Oh, then we said 20. We said, yeah, we said 2400. There we go.
We said this morning. Okay, anyways, I just wanted to.
So there's the move, guys. So I mean, that might even be the move. So literally gold. I'd say gold's off the table because that is the move there. I always say markets on a chart will always give you one triple A grade setup, and right there, that is your triple A grade setup. So gold, I might even say I'm going to take off the charts. We might not even be able to look at that. So US30 NASDAQ will probably be on us for the day. But Griffin, he can't. The man's actually going to be out the office now in the next 20 minutes. He's going to be home by 4 o'clock. So, yeah, he won't be here with us. But other than that, Chad, I think that is pretty much the market. So, as I say, gold spot onto the T. I'm sure a few of you guys got in on that. But the NASDAQ USD is basically what we're going to look at for the day based off of that. So, other than that, Chad, I think that is pretty much everything. But let's get to the good stuff. All right, Chad. So, firstly, we're going to do this now. If you guys don't know, let's put in here. Let's go. There is a new discount code live for you guys. Okay, so if you checked in the chat, guys, new discount code VOTEVF for 40% off on all ZAR accounts. So the link is in the description underneath, guys. You guys can go over and use that. Make the most of it. Again, only for ZAR accounts, guys, just obviously in celebration of elections coming up. So we just want to take note of that. Then next up on the list, Chad, we've got another good one for you. We basically have another big one coming up. So we spoke about this with you guys this morning. If you weren't here, we're going to put this in the chat. If you guys were going to go click on that link underneath, you would have seen it first thing in the description. We're going to put it here. Bang. There we go. Then we want to pin this. This now, guys, there's a little link I clicked there. So what's going to happen if you click on that link? Let's show you guys. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you to 2G's Trading Project G loading. All right. So if you guys go do that, we're going to be looking at that. So again, don't think anything will really be able to happen today necessarily. We're going to pin that there in the chat for you guys. There we go. So vote VF 40% off on all ZAR accounts. Link in description. Then secondly, the link there which we pin now. Project G loading. Now, guys, do yourself a favor, go over, sign up. There's the pre-registration forms for that. It's not paying anything like that. You guys are just pre-signing up. And then secondly, that's just more maybe to motivate you guys, all the pre-registrations. So this one we're going to take off. We'll probably look into it maybe by Monday, just to give you guys time. But all pre-registrations, we'll take all those emails. All those emails will be put into a draw to win a 1 million rand ZAR Vault Funder account. So the 1 million Vault Funder challenge account for all those guys that have pre-registered with that link. Okay. So that is 2 out of the 3. 2 out of the 3. The third one we're going to drop a little bit later for you guys, alright? So don't go anywhere. Then we'll do that third one. So let's just keep it interesting, okay? I passed my phase 2 today with that last US30 trade. Hey, Devin, that's awesome, bro. That is awesome, my man. The 2Gs are really good. Mohammed, really appreciate it. Matthew, I was kicking myself. Had TP at 95 on gold. Hey. We told the guys 2400. Yo. I don't know what this music is, Chad. So don't blame me. Don't shoot the messenger, yeah. We're gonna change it up because that was gonna put me to sleep. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna wait you guys. We basically got 12 more minutes till market open. Let's see what we can get you, Chad. A lot happening today on the backside of things, dude. I love that music. But a lot happening on the back end. Let's see, I feel like I know this song from somewhere, but I don't know where. Where the hell's my... Sorry, Chad, I'm literally looking for my... Did I delete it? Wait, hold on. Oh, there. Let's see what's going on here, Chad. Sounds FIFA-ish. Yeah, it does have a FIFA sound to it. But not like the new FIFA. This is like a FIFA, like FIFA 14, FIFA 15 type of vibes. Dorito, don't shoot the messenger. Amina, there we go, guys. So, let's see. Someone Shazam. I just want to show you guys something, Chad. Remember we spoke about this 315, literally an indecisive candle. Not much that thing's helping us with. But we can do something. Could be heading to the same all-time highs. As I said, guys, I want the bullish move here. That's what I'm looking for. So once we can get a nice close above here, I'd love to see the buy come in. So we just want to keep that in mind. Yeah, that's my move, guys. I want to see the buys. So what we're looking for. But remember, guys, it is a Friday. I'm not going to try to force anything now. We've had a great week. So if we really can't get anything, that might be it. All-time highs on golds. Is it there? Hey, we called it this morning, Chad. We literally told you guys this morning. Bro, I love how these like these oaks literally want to sign me for other prop firms, but like, how did they even get in contact with me? Hey, these guys. Golby, my friend today, 80 pips caught. Awesome. Dun, 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 dun. I think it is 24.31, but just looking at DXY, I hope we could start dumping now. Yeah. They're watching this. I hope they liked it. If I like the still, well, we're gonna have 7 minutes left till market open, Chad. So we're not going anywhere yet. Keep in mind, guys, holding the test in the zone, 4 hour, no top wick yet. Keep in mind. Things still getting very, very interesting here. So we're just gonna see what we can get you. Be patient. So as I said, guys, if you guys are joining late, vote VF for 40% off on all ZAR accounts. Link in description. And then secondly, guys, another one. The tagged or pinned message right there at the top, the pre-registration for 2G's Project G. This is the big one. It's what we've been working on. We literally tonight have another meeting. This is the big one we've been working on for you guys. So the pre-registration has started. All pre-registration, guys, remember, stand a chance to win R1 million Vault Funder account, which we can announce on Monday morning who the winner of that is. And remember, that is literally from the pre-registration, all the forms there, from the emails. The emails here are sign-ups. So if your email isn't there, then obviously there is no, you cannot stand to win that one. So don't come cry to us, guys, when we announce it. Everyone's going, but how did you enter? How did you stand a chance to win? We told you guys how to. Only for bars in USD, yeah, bars in USD. Already registered keys, Natty, that's it. Man's locked in for greatness. I just want to see something, Chad, quickly. They shouldn't shoot the messenger keys, yeah. I feel like there's little cold callers. Like you just got to keep like pushing it, bro. Four minutes till market open, Chad. 4 minutes. Yeah, these people are taking long to sort this out here. Project G submission done. Oh. Guys are getting ready. How about Naz? Could you perhaps give an update? I'm looking for sales. Redwan, I literally went over it. Nothing's going to change now until market opens. So just go back and you'll see my Naz of what I said for it. Project G submitted successfully. Let's go. Hey, Chad. Sure, brother. Oh, exciting stuff. Yo, guys, as I said, so that's just obviously for you to win. Just another resentment giving back to you guys. And then basically the meeting tonight is where we can start getting an idea of when it's literally going to launch, go live. Prodigy submitted 50% on phase 140k AE. So literally, yeah, then we can be giving you guys more of an update exactly when it's going to launch, because we want to give you guys like a timeline, like a little deadline for it. So going to be exciting stuff coming here, Chad, very, very soon. Where's... Why does this music always stop? I don't get it. Bro, you know the one thing, guys, I hate is when you have to deal with like supports and everything is automated, but the automation doesn't give you help for the problem you have. Like, for flip's sakes, can I just talk to someone? Yeah, these things, I hate it. Oh my word. There seems to be an error that discount code, it works on USD accounts too. Colin, I don't know, bro. If that is the case, then go for it. I mean, make the most of it. But yeah, then maybe, as I said to you guys, there could be an issue, but make the most of it, bro. If that's the case, use it, my brother. Markets open, volatility in round 10. The last one for the day, guys. Fight. Let's see. Current phase 250k funded. I won with your giveaway submitted on Prodigy as well. Tandile killing it. Oh, Pharaoh Markets in the house. There we go, guys. He's ready. Let's see. Who said, Chad, US studies, what we are looking for. Favorite Mortal Kombat character. Ooh, that's a tough one. That's a tough one. To be fair, I'm not even gonna lie. I can't even remember actually when last I played Mortal Kombat though. Sorry, Chad. I'm just literally on support, yeah, trying to sort the stuff out with my account at the same time. Nas 100 outlook. Pharaoh Markets. Are you asking me, Jeff? Sub-Zero is dope though. Sub-Zero is dope. Bro, you know one thing that always irritates me is I don't give people, like, you give them a discount and then the first thing people ask is how long is it valid for? If you're interested, purchase it. It's not going to be till end of month. It's not going to... And then the thing is for me is the day, like, you'll tell people 24-hour code. Then tomorrow they want to purchase it. And I'm like, really? I just don't get that with people. Like, if it's on special now and you're interested, then buy it now. What's the point in coming back tomorrow, coming back later? Like, why is your first question, how long is it valid till? Scorpion was dope as well. Yes, guys. And Delano, I don't know if you're in the chat, my brother, but please, I'm not collaborating on your post. Yes, sis, I've never seen someone more determined. This man has had the same post up for like 3 weeks, but every day he sends me a request again, like a request to collaborate on his post. Like, I'm not going to collaborate on your post, bro. Like, I don't want to be that guy, but if you carry on, I'm flipping blocking you. Come on. We're just waiting for the 15-minute shuffle chat, but I'm still liking the idea for longs here on US study. His earnings are ungrateful, yeah. Keys, is there another discount on the Vault Funder account? I just joined the stream now, that's why I'm asking. Naz, yes, vote VF for 40% off, only on ZAR accounts. Vote VF, 40% off. Just use the link in the bio, please. Just to support the channel, support your G's. So like I'm happy for it to do this. This can all just be that test and stuff, as I said. So end of the day, I want the bars, but I'll probably only enter above here. So I'm still happy to wait. This is all still part of the 50-minute shuffle. Thanks, bro. No stress. Guys, it also please just understand. Again, another thing. Again, not trying to be ungrateful to you guys. As I say, we always say like supportive and grateful we are for you guys. But at the same time, when you are supporting the stream, I don't see why it's a thing not to support us. But you get the guys who do support the stream, and then they'll be like, "Yo, bro, I just did it now. Like, I bought an account, supported the channel." You do know we get notified of every person that supported. So, like, if we don't get your name, we know you didn't like use the link and support us. So, like, just saying, guys, don't be that person. Especially if you still message us and be like, "Oh, guys, just supported it. I did this." Like, we get notified. So if your name doesn't pop up, then we know it wasn't a sign up through us. Regarding gold, the project, okay, I can't see, brother. I'm going to wait for you in the easy mode project. Will I have to be in PE? No, you don't have to be in PE. What is this music? Is this that stuff again from your... Not gonna force it, but I'm waiting to see gold sales in for a bit of a reversal. Current 4 hour also has no bottom wick. Regarding gold, the project over there. Where do you want to buy US30 keeks? Just above this blue area, bro. So I'm not waiting for the sell off. They can sell off, but potentially just want to be buying above here. USA looks like it came for blood. 2 candles and took out everyone who had a trade today. Literally mad. Oh, that. What is the punish? But if USD is coming back, we might not get the buys. So just very much a reactive day out today, guys. We said it from the start. It's Friday. Anything can happen, yeah. Yo, this place, bro. Bro, USD is hurting people. Yes, yes. Literally. Sorry, Jay, we'll just finalize some things there. Just like 600. Hey, you getting before the 50-minute shuffle? 15-minute shuffles, never a good one. Why does this music keep? I don't know what this thing's doing. I said, Chad, sorry, like, I know I'm a bit distracted. Yeah, I'm literally fighting. Because at the end of the day, like, I'm sitting here watching a chart, but I can't trade it. I just was moving some of my funds around from my other accounts, and yeah, being a bit of an issue now. So yeah, I do apologize, and I'm a bit distracted. Hey, Mr. Keys, right? Bitcoin USD are bearish. I don't look at Bitcoin. Alright, 3 minutes till market shuffle is done, guys. Push up. According to Keys R&D, we are still in it. Took a small 0.50. Hey. Rejection of the valve of yesterday. Basically, no direction for that day. Yeah, hopefully we hold and go up. So guys, personally, I'm only looking to go long above here anyway, so we're just going to see. Alright, Chad, but while we wait, secondly, okay. Alright. But in the meantime, Chad, okay, as I was saying, back to it. There's a 5-minute candle strategy from morning, wait for 5-minute shuffle. No, it's not a 5-minute shuffle, guys. That's not how it works. Yeah, I'm already changing this. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, chat, in the meantime, while we wait, this is actually just irritating me now. I'm not even gonna bother fighting with this. I'm gonna fight with it later. What we're gonna do now, Chad, is basically not even giving the music a chance. Geeks, no, bro, no. Did you not even hear that? Yeah, I did still fall under the 15-minute shuffle though, waiting for that 5 minutes. But yeah, as I said, guys, so basically we're going to do again now the last third thing. Remember, so what was the first thing, guys? Vote VF. 40% of all ZAR accounts, link in description. Secondly, the pinned message to G's Project G sign up pre-registration. We'll be doing a giveaway announcement on United Emirates. What the hell? Sorry, who's this? Alrighty, hopefully no more distractions. Sign up, there we go. Okay, so yeah, sign up for 2G's Project G. And again, Monday you can stand the chance to win a R1,000,000 Vault Funder account. Then got some good news, boys. Keeps gonna give us. Thirdly, we're gonna do 2 giveaways, yeah, guys. One for the females, one for the males. Okay, so we're gonna give away 2 $10,000 accounts from Vault Funder. So we're gonna do those. I think we can get into it while we wait here in the meantime. So let's just see what happens. Let's see. So let's start off with the women, guys. The females can go first. Yeah. What if I identify as a female? Edgar, unfortunately, I need the legal documents, brother. I need the legal ones. Otherwise, I could identify as a TP and get that all day. But unfortunately, life's not fair. Anyone else who to enter short on gold? But that's it, guys. You're waiting for this, yeah. So don't worry, I am watching it. But let's look at this. So, all of our females, Chad, we're going to put it out here. So, it's going to be a random number generator, okay? So, for the females, I hope you guys are ready for this. We're going to do a giveaway between, let's make it 400 and 600. 400 and 600. Who can get it? All of our, between our females here. Who is going to get it for us? How many females do we have, guys? I was going to say, I think the range might actually be a bit big considering we don't have that many females. US 30, obviously, I am keeping an eye on this here, guys, so don't worry. Ladies, you know what, because there's only a few of you, I'm actually going to tell you the range. It's between 500 and 600, the winning number. So anything under 500 is not it. Carly, I don't know where you came with 896. I don't know where that one came from. But it's between 500 and 600, the winning number. Between 500 and 600. Come on, ladies, you guys can do this. You ladies can do it. Who's going to get it, yeah? Between 500 and 600. Oh, the ladies battling a bit, yeah. Alright, let's close it up a little bit more even. It's between 550 and 600. Between 550 and 600. Booty. Okay, guys, this is only for the females. Alright, okay, hold on, Chad. Of course, the guys had to go and ruin it. We're gonna have to redo it as Clay's Biz one, and Clay, I'm pretty sure you're a male. So of course the males had to go in and ruin the fun there. Little degenerates. But but okay, so we're gonna have to redo that one, guys. But we're just gonna quickly wait here. Obviously, for this candle, absolutely annihilating, yeah. I don't really necessarily want to take this up, yeah. So we're gonna wait, see if we get a pullback, then we'll redo that, ladies. I apologize on behalf of the men, yeah. As usual, us men don't listen, but we'll redo it for you, ladies. I just want to make sure we can get in on a trade, yeah, if it is, yeah, for us quickly. I don't really feel like taking this on the daily pivot, though. That's my only thing. If we had to take it, yeah, that's like the stop. Yes, that's tight. Griffin, small donation, but learning so much. Hey, Griffin, really appreciate it. And if I were to be gay, no, Clay, it doesn't count. Unfortunately, though, that does not count. But as I said, Chad, so yeah, we are looking here. I don't really want to take it there. If we get a little bit more of a pullback, I'll consider taking something, yeah. What is this looking like on the 15? If we can retest, yeah, get a little bit closer, I'm happy to take it there. So we're gonna actually just wait for this next 5 anyway. So ladies, we're gonna rerun it. I think this time around we're gonna do a smaller range. I think we saw last time it didn't work out that well. So ladies, again, only ladies, okay? Only ladies, guys. So please sit this one out. For the ladies, between number 100 and 200. A nice small range for you ladies. Between 100 and 200. Only for the ladies, guys. Guys, please sit out. Only ladies. Come on, ladies. Oh. There we go. There we go, Chad. We got a winner. Carly Seddon, you are our winner today. You've won a $10,000 Vault Funder account. Carly, please let me know, do you know the process of how to claim it? I know I didn't go over it, so if you don't, I will. Yes, Keegs. So do you know? Otherwise, I can validate them again for you guys because I haven't gone over them. I do understand the rule. Oh, say awesome. So you know how to claim it. So just, again, send that message to my boy Chris. He will hook you up with that account. Let me just take the things here so I know what the names were. So Carly is our winner today. For the ladies, congrats. Then let's go over to it. Let's see. Okay, guys, there we go. There's the candle we wanted to see. If we get this reclose here, we can look to take that long position. All right. So just keep your eyes open. We are looking here. Then we will decide what we're going to do. Then it's the boys up next. Gents, I hope you guys are locked and loaded. The women were focused. They knew what was going on here. Are these challenge accounts all live funded? They're challenge accounts. You've got to pass it. Donations, people, 400 ZAR accounts. So let's just see. What is this? No. Not happening. Okay. We can get a nice close here. I will take a shot at this. The playlist is not make sure. Yeah, no, trust me. I don't know what this playlist is doing. But we can take a shot here. This is a nice close. I'm happy with this one. We can take a shot at this. Just stay where it is. Please just don't run. Just don't run. We got 30 seconds. Just don't run. If this closes like this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Don't do it. Oh my word, don't do this. Okay, chat, I'm going to take this, but I'm going to use a bigger stop loss. There we go, there we go. Beautiful. And chat, I've entered. We've gone long. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah. So normally we have a 30. Chat, I'm going to go with about a 40 pip on this one. Purely just a little bit more of a bigger stop, just to give us that breathing room. And let's see how this baby can run for us. Again, let's see how we can finish the week strong. It would be absolutely awesome. I was going to see on the higher time frames, what are we looking at? The highs all the way nice up in there. So we could even aim for a possible nice 1 to 2. So let's just see, Chad. Obviously 1 to 1 first on the line, and then we can manage it. So let's just do this. What we can do is, where's our 1 to 1? And then we're going to get into the boys. Guys, I forgot about you. Let's go 1 to 1. That would be over there. We can label that text TP1. And then we'll just make, and then Okay, let's see what this thing does, Chad. If this thing starts getting under this daily pivot now, can't hold there, then it's not really going to go up. I'm not putting too much on this trade, purely it is Friday, so we're just going to see what happens, how it can finish off. But yeah, higher time frames looking very, very good, so we're just going to see if this is quite volatile or if we're going to get a nice way to end off the week. But other than that, while we let this one play out, then we can get into with Mav, right? Mav. But let's just get into the second one. So this one is going to be for the boys, for the gents. Gents, I know there's a lot of you guys, so we can up the numbers a bit. This one is going to be between 300 and 500. Let's roll it, Chad. Between 300 and 500, boys. Let's get it. Where the boys at? Between 300 and 500. Come on, Chad. Who's going to get it? Between 300 and 500. Come on, boys. I'm not giving you guys any tips. Hey, look at these numbers flying through. There's a lot of you guys. You guys aren't getting any tips here. US 30 looks like it's giving us the tip, but you gents aren't. Hey, there we go. We got a winner. All right, Chad. We got my boy Train here. I'm sure Train is quite jacked, but Train is our lucky winner. Well done, Train. Train, do you know the process, brother? Let me know. Let me know. Do you know the process? Train, where you at, bro? Where's our boy Train? I'm here. Okay, Train, do you know the process, brother, of how to claim the account? Let me know. I don't know if Train doesn't have the best Wi-Fi, man. It's taking quite a while to reply the whole time. Train, do you know the process, my brother? IG account, yeah. So you're gonna message Chris on IG. Message him saying you're one of the $10,000 account winners, and then just send him a screenshot of your YouTube account that we see matches up to the name over here that will be sent through to him. And then again, just send the email that you use to register with Vault Fund. You don't have to purchase anything, don't do anything, just go register. The email used to register with VF, you send that email address as well. So those three things, send Chris a message. In the message, screenshot of the YouTube account name, and then the email address that you use to register with. And those are, guys, those are two $10,000 account winners. Well done, guys. So again, literally on the spot, I'm going to send them through to our boy quickly. So he will already be waiting for you guys. I think he's packing. Obviously, he's going away with the family. So he might only get to you guys a little bit later, but you will get them. So there we go. Two winners. Cool. So he will have them, and then he'll get back to you guys. So well done to our two winners here today. Remember, guys, you can still stand a chance to win the $1 million, 1 million rand, not $1 million, 1 million rand account with VF, just by doing the pre-registration. All right. So pre-registration, and you guys can stand a chance to win that with us. So, Chad, we're just seeing what's happening here. What is DXY doing? DXY is turning bearish still. So, gold had a nice pump. NAS holding. Looking good. I I'm not really happy necessarily with where we are staying at the moment, but still a lot of potential for this to turn around. 15-minute closing, very, very bullish. So this can just be the bottom wick of the next candle. But yeah, wouldn't say it's a done trade yet. What would be nice is if this next candle closes something like that, gives us that pump, and then we can just see a take off from there. So we're just going to see what happens here, but definitely this trade still on the cards for us. They said if I've registered already, does it count to 1 milli? Nathan, if you've done the register for 2G's Project G, that's where you got to go submit. If you've done the submission for the pre-registration, that puts you in. Because remember, there's going to be an email database of everyone that's pre-submitted. All those pre-submissions, that's the guys we are then going to put into the draw. So you have to do the pre-submission. Only the guys that pre-submitted, we will have that database, and that's where we'll choose the winner from. Yeah, Rooks, now be patient. We're chilling. I think we really could have a nice, beautiful trade here to finish off the week. Come on, come here, steady. I know you want to run. Oh, I see. No stress, no stress. What's DXY doing? Hey, come on, DXY. That's what we want to see. We want this US30 to pump. Nice 80 pips on US30 to finish off the week. That I will happily take that. Smash the nice guys. We're getting a lot from 2Gs. Hey, Donnie. Come on. We really want to just see this thing pump. This would be a great way to finish off our week. One thing about me, guys, with US30, because how volatile it is, and my boy Shaq, I give him credit because I know he also does the same thing, is when you trade US30, I don't like to manage my trades. It's either it's a TP or it's a stop loss. Just because they're volatile, they can turn around at any point, they can pump at any point, they can dump at any point. So yeah, but personally, when I trade US30, it's a stop loss or break even, a stop loss or TP like that. That's it. So I won't really like to manage this trade. 2Gs, legends, Rooks, appreciate it, brother. Do. So we're just going to chill out here, wait for this. If this thing closes like that above that again, I'm even more happy with it still, but we're just chilling out here waiting for it. We're waiting for this thing just to take off, yeah. Have a little rocket ship moment and just ping. Hey, there we go. Chad, I'm coming out. Just need to go get some water. I'm guessing Peter's a bit late. Peter's probably like 10, I'm what, 20 minutes behind on the stream. And guys, this is what I say. This is like stop loss or TPs on US30 because this thing can just change momentum at any time. So yeah, you kind of just have to sit it through with US30. Good afternoon, broskies. Goodman, what's up? What's DXY doing? Oh, it's at that key level. Gold. Yeah, everything's having a bit of a turnaround. Higher time frames, what we're looking like. Yeah, for me, higher time frames, I mean, still very, very comfortable with. Obviously, the only thing I don't like is the fact is, to say, already end of Friday, like it's weekend. So markets, like they've had their majority direction. If you have to look at a weekly candle, like it's had its move. So it's not like it's still gonna keep pumping. Like this thing can just do what it wants to do now. It can chill out almost and park the bus. It can, yeah. So that's the only thing with I must say about why I hate trading Fridays in a way, because there's not that pure solid one direction move where the market wants or needs to get somewhere. That's already been done. So now it's just like, we are for the vibes kind of thing. US30 isn't for the weak. No, it's not. US30 will test you. US30 will always test you. Fridays is the worst unless there's news. Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, that's why I said this is one of those you're gonna leave it basically, as I say, and just see what it does. US30 is the most challenging to trade from all instruments. What's the audience view? Yeah, Mohammed, so that's the thing. I actually get asked that a lot about, like, why is US30 so difficult? And the thing is, it's not that it's difficult, it's the idea it's volatile. So the thing is, if you approached US30 like you approached any other pair, but used much bigger stop losses to basically accommodate the volatility, you would have your same kind of win rate as with other pairs. But that's what people just don't understand. It's a very volatile, very explosive pair. So for example, a 5-minute candle on US30 could be the same technically as what a flippin' 30-minute candle could be like on another pair. You know what I'm saying? So if you basically just up the stops a lot easier, a lot bigger, you'd be able to sit through a lot more of these like volatile candles and you wouldn't be so dangerous. But that is just US30. Obviously we traded to because you want to maximize the profits on it. So in doing that, you're going to get caught. DXY breaking it now. So it's just one of those things. But that's the thing, we traded to maximize our profits. So hey. US30 will humble you quick, especially on a Friday, champ. Yeah, I know it will. USD is always, as I say, not the best. Not always the most fun. But as I say, USD for me, I want to say it's gold, but in a way, gold at least has a bit more like structure to it. So you could have this play out and anything. But you know what I will say, guys? One thing I will say about USD is, USD also teaches you not to be too greedy, because you always give you months worth of strategies in one 5-minute candle. And you can take away that just as fast. Very true to read, so very true. But one thing I will say, Chad, is now this index keys, mustn't forget you fed 500 people CPI, brother. No, bro, that's what I was going to say. One thing CPI will teach you is to take your emotions out of trading. It will teach you that, because like now, like I can sit here calmly through this. I'm relaxed because it's USD. Like I know this is what it does. This is volatility. My stops is in points where trades become invalid. Like that's a support. If we break that support, we're going all the way back down to here. So it teaches you, I want to say, emotional maturity in trading, if you want to call it that. To trust your plan, trust your processes, things like that. So yeah, it's but trust me, I'm not worried about this. You trust me, I'm not worried. Like even if I hit a stop here, I'm still way up for the week, so I can take a stop here, and as I say, still very, very big profitable week. So I'm not stressed about this at all. That's how you're supposed to approach every trade. Once placed, let it run and do its thing. Dante, exactly. I won't say you have to set and forget, but you got to trust the plan. You have to trust your setup, trust the plan. Because when you entered the trade, you saw something. So just because now the trades you got, now you're panicking and but that's not what you saw when you were here. The same thing you saw here, you saw it can break and pull up to the top side, and you felt confident in the setup. You need to still feel that now. You need to feel the fact of, okay, but I still can see this thing maybe flipping, closing like a doji, and then the next candle pumping, breaking the structure, and then that can be the candle after the structure break that just pumps and runs. I still can have faith in what I saw, and back your setup. Hope is a dangerous game. Hunting, I wouldn't say it's hope. It's not hope. If you just because of hope, then you're gambling. I suggest you don't trade. Every time we took a trade, there was an educational reason why we took the trade. I'll let you know, yeah, Chad. When exactly am I out? I'm still in this, Chad. Do you use any fundamentals with USD? Yeah, but there's nothing really fundamental going on at the moment. But I do use fundamentals. Okay, well, I'm still in, Chad, so I wasn't stopped yet. That was actually like a vibey song. Bum, 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 bum. Every trader knows how to stay calculated and confident in their strategy. Sean, 100%. And let's just remember, guys, like every strategy doesn't have a 100% win rate. So if I have a 60% win rate, that means there's going to be 4 losses. So if I know I'm taking the 4 losses, this could just be one of them, then the 6 wins are coming after that. I'm literally just going to probably finish this, watch this trade. If this thing it stops, then that's it. If it turns around.
Yo, how close is that? What's up, Chad? This could be one of those miracles. You've lived through something like this, bro. This is, what is this? 15 minutes? 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Hey, now you got this. Let's see. Let me not jinx it, though.
So
It's your composure for me right now. You're like, bro, gotta coast it through, let it be. You know me, I'd be panicking, bro. I see look, bro.
look away. It's only squeaky bum time if you're risking too much. Exactly, Griffin. I always say to the guys, and I'll stick to it. If you are stressing and panicking and all this about your trades, then drop the lot size, because you clearly are not ready to be trading that amount, or you're not prepared to lose that amount. Have a great week, everybody. Craig, have a great one. How's your Friday been, brother? It's been good, bro. Been a very, very busy, chaotic Friday, but been good. I'm gonna see this thing run, yo, Chad. I have faith in it. We have faith. We're not gonna sit through this for nothing. As I said, it's either a stop or it's a TP. Keep singing, it helps, lol. It's the angelic voice, bro. Told you guys, we coming out of this. Just have faith. We just gotta trust the plan. Will Vault Finder consider adding crypto like Bitcoin to trade? Probably not, no. I can't be 100% sure for you. Maybe in the future, but as of now, I think no. 2396 needs to be swipe. Amon, well, we're not watching that, but sure, brother. Keys, do you have experience like migraines from staring at the charts too much or too long? Sure, boy, lately the screen time has been destroying me, bro. I do, bro, but I'd probably say like when I'm at home. Like by the time I'm at home and then being in front of my screens, because like at the office, we're only on 27s, where my home setup is 32s. So like still to go home, and especially like in my office, and my office is like a nice dark room. I've got my lights and all these things, and then the bright big screens in your face. Then yeah, it starts to chalk my eyes a bit. But for now, I think in the beginning it did. Where now I'm a bit, maybe because of the time I already spent in front of it, I'm a bit more like used to it. But by the end of the day, then I feel it. Blue glasses help with that. I actually wanted to get some, but you know, it always amazes me. You can get like the blue block, or I think they actually call blue light glasses from Eve Tech for like $200. But if you go to like a glasses like shop, it's like 3,000 rand, 4,000 rand. I'm just like, well, what the hell's the difference? Keeks, bro, I'm registered with Vault Funder. What's the next thing to win? One more funded account registration. Okay, guys, please use your ears, guys. Use your ears. if you want to stand a chance to win the one more funded account, it's not with Vault Funder. The account itself is with Vault Funder, but to stand a chance to win, you got to go to the pin message there in the chat and go to the 2G's Project G. You got to pre-register for that. The pre-registration for that puts you in the thing to win, the pool to win the 1 million rand Vault Funder account. I got that one keys as plastic frames. Oh, but it works. Oh, okay, cool. Dude, I have a blue lock tint on my specs for the screen time, but still screws with my eyes. Sure, dude. I've been experiencing like insane headaches like since Monday, my bro. Hey, yeah, they're not fun. They're not fun, bro. It's my first time joining the live. Kindly want to ask if the strategy is discussed in any prior videos earlier in this video. I'll take listen, my brother. This is not a thing you're gonna come drop in and get all the answers and don't ever come back. It's about building a community and building traders. So if you come and you watch and you join and you hear every day, you will learn. You'll learn how I trade. You'll see how I trade. You'll take it in. So just be here and you will take it in. You'll find out how it is. How I trade, how Jeff trades, how Chris trades, but you got to sit around. Eve Tech bro, I think it's $2.99 still. Yeah, I think it is $2.99 still. There was somewhere around. I just remember there was a 2 something when I was looking at them. Yo, I need this thing to run, guys, because I've got places to be. Hey everyone, Liz, what's up? Can use that CPI profits for the eyes. Sounds like ZZ top plane, lol. I think I might need to grab me a pair of those because damn, I also think it's sitting close to the screens maybe. Yeah, obviously you don't want to be too close to your screens as well. That obviously, if you can get yourself a bit more distance from them, will help. How's this candle gonna close? Bearish or bullish? Looks like it's bearish. It looks like it's almost nothing. Alright, came this time we're buying USD. Let's see how this thing finishes off here. Try and sit on your monitor as Blue Box says. What is everything else doing while we wait for USD to do something? Nasdaq going bullish, gold going bullish, DXY. So, guys, it looks like I'm sorry. We got the dud, yeah. We got the dud. Literally everything else going bullish, and somehow we going bearish. I don't know. That's USD for you. I'll definitely stick around. Glad to find a community of real traders. Excuse my excitement. Just wanted to get up to the speed. No, bro. As I say, I'm not. I'm glad you're excited. I'm glad to have you here in the community. But that's the whole thing. As we grow, you'll do it. But as my boy Forex Inside said there, just join the Discord. There is an education section there where you will kind of learn our entry criteria. So the entry models we use. USD will go, I trust. Mr. Manson, no, trust me. I do also definitely think it will go. But as I said, USD, it's just a case of, is it going to go or is it going to do this and then go type of thing? You know what I'm saying? So it's just at this point a case to see what we are going to do. Because yeah, this point, as I said, we were just lucky enough. We chose the dud. Everything else going bullish, and we got the pair going bearish. So just the joys of another Friday and US study. No, Kyle, we don't want to talk about gold, bro. We don't want to talk about that. What are these alerts? Just get rid of these alerts, yeah. It will go. Give it time. Yeah. Nah, we waiting for it, guys. Should have stuck to original, baby. No, bro. The thing is, I did, but we called that move in the morning session, and it already ran. So I don't want to jump. You can't jump on a bus that's already running, bro. Just gonna give USD some time, Keeks. I'm still holding from the bottom wick. Yeah, bro. I said USD. When I trade USD, it's either a stop loss or a TP. So this thing's either it's gonna go, bro, until it's hitting one of the two. Keeks, the trader was waiting for me to come just watch a. Oh, I get you. You know what you're doing, yeah. NQ was the better my. Yeah, one rabbit. I established that earlier. I said I got the dad, bro. Usually he's fighting with that daily pivot, yeah. Let's sell a gold at all-time highs. Game over. Just passed phase 1 on my account from VF on gold. Dion, that's awesome, bro. Congrats, brother. Hey, and you're one of our winners. So glad to see you killing it. Chad, honestly though, at the end of this 5-minute candle, like, I'm gonna start wrapping it up. You guys have the trade. As I said, this is literally, it's a stop loss or TP. I absolutely hate leaving in the middle of a trade, but obviously this is one of those. It's a Friday. I do have places to go. I need to get home, finish some things, and then I still have to get into another meeting when I'm at home. So literally, unfortunately, will be one of those. But we're just going to see how this candle closes quickly, and then we'll start doing our little wrap up. But as I said, Chad, I promise you, I'm not closing the trade. I'm not doing anything. Like, it's either stop loss or TP. So you guys have the setup. So please don't. Like, I'm not closing anything. This is it. How it is. You guys have a screenshot of it. You have everything. So if it gets stopped, you know I got stopped. If it turns around and goes TP, you know it was a TP. But yeah, guys, that is the close. I'm not gonna sit there and wait for this thing. I must do what I must do. But again, that is everything from our side, Chad. Let's just close off here with. Let's do that. All right. Okay, Chad, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Do you trade US 100 because it was a lot clean there? Daxman, brother, either you just came or you don't listen, but I do trade it. We literally said earlier, we got the dud for about the 4th time now. Hard week for the 2Gs, but that's trading. Mo, would have been nice to finish 7 on win. It wasn't really a hard week, bro. Probably actually in line to have the best month I've had in a very long time. We had an amazing week. So, Mo, I don't know what you're talking about. But there you go, Chad. Actually, there we go. Stopped. That is a stop. I think I must be out on that. Yeah, Chad, I am out on that. That took me. So, there we go. That is the stop. You guys see there. So, that is it. Done and dusted. Really, what was the return? Mo, please go find Jesus. I don't even have time for you anymore. You're actually a joke, brother. But literally, if you clearly always want to keep quiet. These are trades taken, not on the webcast. Yes, they are. Mo, go look at literally Tuesday. Go look at Wednesday on CPR. So please, my brother, go wake up. Go find the Lord. But again, Other than that, been an amazing week. We are really, really up. So again, other than that, guys, don't be stupid with your trades. Don't do anything out of line. You guys can always do this. The gamble for CPI, not trade. Oh, Mo. You know what, Mo? We wish you the best. Wrenches, please take care of him. I'm tired of this idiot. The man wants to comment, but yet comes to watch us trade. So I don't know what's going on here. But it wasn't gambling, bro. It's an educated guess. That's what fundamentals are. There's a reason we do fundamentals. So other than that, Chan, I wish you guys the best. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And again, thank you for all the support. It has been unreal. We literally celebrated 8K on Monday. And now we're at 8.5. Literally halfway to 9K. So being unreal. But again, guys, we're going to see you on the flip side. Peace and love. Get rested. Stay rested. And make sure to go sign up with that pre-link. Don't forget about the special on VF. Vote VF for 40% off. And we're going to see you guys on the other side. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.